welcome to my channel. So today we're talking about change of subject formula / substitution, where we have to change the subject formula, then we substitute value for an unknown. In my previous video, we've talked about the change of subject formula alone. So if you've not watched that, please you can go and watch it. So let's take example 1. If y is equal to 2x minus 9, express x in terms of y. That's question A. Then B, find x, where we have to substitute when y is equal to 5. So A, express x in terms of y. It literally means you make x the subject of the formula. So in this equation, y is equal to 2x minus 9. We want to make this x the subject formula. How do we go about it? Using balancing method, you add 9 to both sides. Or some people say collect like terms. But in this case, we add 9 to both sides. Why are we adding 9? Because this is minus. Then you do the reverse, you do opposite. If it is plus here, you subtract 9. And if it is minus here, you add. So adding 9 to both sides of the equation, we have y plus 9 is equal to 2x minus 9. What is here? Then adding 9, we have plus 9. So this becomes y plus 9 equal to minus 9 plus 9 is 0. We have 2x. So we want to make x the subject of the formula. You divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. So I have y plus 9 over 2 equal to 2x over 2. 2 cancel 2. Therefore, I have x equal to y plus 9 over 2. So B, this is A. Find x when y is equal to 5. So we say you should find this x. With this equation, x equal to y plus 9 over 2. Let's substitute. Anywhere we see y, we'll put 5. This is it. X equal to 5 plus 9 over 2. X is equal to 5 plus 9 is what? 14. I have 14 over 2. Therefore, x is equal to 14 divided by 2 is 7. So, example 2. If 3x plus y is equal to d, express x in terms of y and d, meaning we should make x the subject of the formula. Now, this is it. This y should cross to the other side. And doing that, we are going to subtract y. If you notice, this is plus. We're going to subtract y from both sides. So I say subtract y from both sides. So we can isolate 3x to be alone. So we have it as 3x plus y. Then subtracting y minus y is equal to the right hand side, d minus y. Are we together? So we have plus y minus y is 0, just like we have plus 2 minus 2 is 0. So y minus y is 0, left with 3x. 3x equal to d minus y. But we want to make x the subject of the formula. We divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 3. So we say divide both sides by 3. So we have 3x over 3 is equal to d minus y over 3. These 3 cancel this 3. So therefore, x is equal to d minus y over 3. So we'll make x the subject of the formula. We move to question B. Find x when d, we substitute d equal to 1 and y equal to 13. Anywhere we see d, we put 1. Anywhere we see y, we put 13. So from the equation B, x equal to d minus y over 3. So we have x equal to d is what? 1. 1 minus y is 13. 13 over 3. So x is equal to 1 minus 13 is minus 12 over 3. Therefore, x is equal to minus 12 divided by 3 is 4. So this is the answer. This is how we change the subject of the formula, and we also substitute. Thank you very much.